These AI psychology videos are pulling in 9 million views per month. This channel started just 2 months ago. Over 40,000 subscribers. And if we calculate using a conservative $3 RPM for educational content, that's roughly $27,000 in just 2 months. Here's another one, same format, different angle, 3 million views per month. Now you've probably seen these AI psychology videos blowing up on YouTube, but here's the problem. Nobody's actually showing you how to make them step by step. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process. How to find viral psychology topics that already have proven demand. How to write scripts that keep people watching till the end. How to generate consistent AI visuals that don't look generic. How to create professional voiceovers. And the best part, every single tool I'm showing you is completely free. All the prompts, I've put them in a free Google Doc. Link is in the description. Now let's get into it. First, we need to find topics that already have proven demand. Don't just guess what people want to watch. Here's the exact process. Part 1, competitor analysis. Go to a successful channel like Felune. Sort their videos by most popular. Look for patterns in their titles. I notice they focus on why cats do specific behavior, the psychology behind cat action, what it means when cats something surprising. Write down 10 of their top performing titles. Part 2, ChatGPT ideation. Now open ChatGPT. Copy this exact prompt. Paste your 5 titles and hit enter. Boom, ChatGPT just gave you 20 video ideas in 10 seconds. Pick the one that surprises you the most. For this video, I'm choosing, if your cat ignores you, they're actually doing this. Now we need a script. Here's the prompt. ChatGPT will give you a complete script. It should be 45 to 60 seconds. Save this script. Now for the visuals. We'll use a free tool called Flow AI by Google. Step 1, create your character. Use this prompt. Generate 3 to 4 variations. Pick the best one. This becomes your character. Now download that character image. Upload it back to Flow in the subject box. This tells Flow, use this exact character. For the scene, use prompts like this. Generate 4 to 6 scenes based on your script. The character stays consistent because you're using the reference image. For voiceover, you have 2 options. Option 1, Google AI Studio, 100% free, unlimited. Go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with Google account. Paste your script. Settings I recommend. Voice, choose any professional sounding voice. Click the Style section and add this prompt. Click Generate. Listen to it. If you don't like it, try different voices until one fits. Download the voiceover file. Option 2, 11 Labs, better quality, limited free. If you want higher quality, use 11 Labs free tier. Go to 11labs.io. Sign up for free 10,000 characters per month. Choose a voice from the library. I recommend Josh or Aria for educational content. Paste your script. Adjust stability and clarity to 50%. Generate and download.
Your cat ignores you on purpose, but that's actually a good sign. Weird, right? Cats are not like dogs. Dogs show love by staying close. Cats show trust by feeling safe enough to leave you alone. In cat psychology, ignoring can mean your cat is relaxed and comfortable around you. Wild cats only act calm when they feel safe. So if your cat walks past you without panic, that's trust.